A car starts at a speed of 60 km per hour with its speed increasing by 12 km per hour every 3 hours. In how many hours it will cover 480 kilometers? Okay. So this question is from which topic? Time, speed, distance, right? So only the basic formula we have, speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. So this is the basic formula that we are having in this concept. Using these main parameters of speed, distance, and time, let's try solving this question. Okay. So what is the speed of the car? Speed of the car equal to 60 km per hour. So write the same thing here. Speed of the car 60 km per hour. Done. Now with the speed increasing by 12 km for every 3 hours. Okay, that means first 3 hours the speed is 60 km only, right? 60 km per hour only, right? So for first 3 hours, every hour 60 km per hour. Likewise 3 hours the distance traveled. If you want to write for distance, then distance equal to speed into time, right? From this basic expression. So 60 is the speed maintained and time period is 3 hours. That is nothing but 180 kilometer. Okay. So for the first 3 hours, 180 kilometers of distance is traveled with 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, as per the condition they have mentioned, speed is increased by 12, right? So speed is increased by 12. So speed is increased by 12 kilometer per hour means the new speed will be 60 plus 12, which is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. Okay. So next 3 hours. Okay. Next 3 hours, the car will maintain the same speed of 72 kilometer per hour. So 72 into 3. How much is 72 into 3? It is nothing but 216 kilometers. Okay. So 180 kilometers is for first 3 hours and next 3 hours it is 216 kilometers. Okay. What is the total target? Total target is 480, right? So if you want, you can write it separately. 180 is in first 3 hours and then 216 in next 3 hours means total is how much? The total is nothing but 396. Okay. So if total 480 should be there means 480 minus 396 you can do. What is the remaining? The remaining is nothing but 84, right? So if 84 kilometers of distance is traveled, then the given target of 480 kilometers will be covered. Okay. So for that, just see here. Now 3 hours is done. Again for the next 3 hours, the speed will be increased by 12 again. Okay. So again for the next 3 hours, speed is increased by 12 kilometer per hour. Okay. So previously it is 72, right? 72 plus 12 means it is nothing but 84 kilometer per hour. Okay. So as per the distance value that you see here, as per now, for the first 3 hours, 180 kilometers, and for the next 3 hours, 216 kilometers, totally out of 480 kilometers, 396 are done. Okay. That means for the next 1 hour, if he can travel for the next 84 kilometer, next 1 hour with the 84 kilometer per hour speed, 1 hour if he can travel, he will be covering that remaining 84 kilometers, right? Yes or no? So first 3 hours, it is nothing but 180 kilometer. And then next 3 hours, it is nothing but 216 kilometer. And then finally for the 1 hour, the last 1 hour, it is nothing but 84 kilometer. Okay. So likewise, total 480 kilometers will be covered in how many hours? Will be covered in 7 hours. Okay. And for every 3 hours, the speed will be increased by 12 kilometer per hour. With that particular condition, the total target of 480 kilometers will be covered in 7 hours of time. So what's the answer for the question? Option C, 7 hours is the answer.